4 AM, I'm sick of you. White dress looks good on you.
Morning.
Happy first day of school. Can I use your camera?
Which one?
To bring this lens back. Because I'm trying to film what I eat in a day over here. But all my cameras are at Brendan's and he just locks me out of his apartment.
Oh my god.
So the ADD. The ADD.
Who's excited?
It's our last
first day of school. Maybe, maybe
Stop.
not.
That's
we don't
so
know.
sad. We're gonna go to grad school together.
Why isn't it focused?
It is.
No, it's not. Yeah, morning. I really haven't even started the vlog. But good morning, guys. It's our last first day of school at the University of Oregon. We're seniors. Ooh, I want to stay little. Dee Dee texted me this morning and said, happy last first day of school. I thought it was the cutest thing. I wish my parents would text me. I don't have class till 10. She doesn't have class till 4.
I have a whole day of activities.
You're really like, do you even go to school? It's 7:58. Last night I went to bed at, no joke, like 11:10. That's the earliest I've ever gone to bed, I think, in my entire life. I was so tired though. I slept really well. This is kind of a little surreal. I'm trying not to think about it to get like emo, but it is a little weird.
I'm actually kind of sick to my stomach.
I'm trying to think of it as this is the start of the best year of our lives. And it's true, like, we are gonna have so much fun this year. You know?
But it's the last year of so much fun.
But we might go somewhere together, so it might be even more fun. But yeah, we're just in bed, we chilling. I'm gonna make breakfast. Oh my god, your little head. Come here, get in the thumbnail. Oh, Kiara. Why is the stop so small?
Why am I
this?
so wide awake? It's 8 AM, baby.
It'll take you long for breakfast and when we get ready, when we start getting ready. We have like 2 hours, so we fine. Now comes the hard part where I need to pick out an outfit. In high school, I had my outfits picked out for, I don't know, probably a good 2-3 weeks. I knew exactly what I was wearing. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. You know, good thing we're really not trying to impress anyone here. This is gonna be such a weird outfit, I'm sorry. God, I'm really not vibing with this outfit. I might have to change. A lot of times during the summer, I'm usually taking like some sort of summer class. I guess I sort of did do that this summer because I took Spanish in Spain. For the most part, it's an easier transition when you're taking summer classes because you're kind of like in the swing of things. But I have legitimately had 3 months off of school, so I'm trying to mentally prepare to be hit by lots of syllabi and requirements. The first week of school, you can drop anything without any penalty, and if I think things aren't going well, then I just do myself a little favor and switcheroo my schedule around. Obviously that's a lot harder now that I'm a senior because I'm down to like the last little chunk of my classes, and it's just not as easy to just flip-flop a gen ed, you know? I don't know if you're gonna like it. It's good. Actually, I think it tastes better than the one that we bought.
Where'd you buy one?
The main recent one.
What?
Yeah, I think it's better. Nothing like a little first day of school balsamic drizzle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, breakfast is served. T1 is here, by the way, for those of you wondering. So I'm gonna attempt to pack my backpack. I just ordered my notebook last night to take notes in because I'm weird and have like a particular notepad and type of paper that I like to write in. I'm now in my emergency school drawer, seeing if I can find a notebook. I'm just gonna have to use the A&P one that I did last year for like 2 days. Perfect, bringing this to school. Got my pencil, got my clicker. Really don't need anything else. Okay, we changed the outfit for the 3rd time. We're gonna go take our first day of school pic.
you going that way?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
No, I don't want to walk alone. This is so sad. I've never had to walk alone on the first day of school. Wait, I'm sad. I'm gonna walk this way. I'll walk fast. I'm going to neurobio. Where are you going? I'm going to some PE nutrition class. All of my classes this entire term are in buildings that I don't like. We don't have Straub on our list, which is kind of a bummer. I'm going to Mackenzie, and then I'm going to Klamath, and then I'm going to Fenton, and I've never had a class in Fenton. The good news is they're on like my side of campus, so that's fine. So I'm currently booking at home. I power walked so fast because I have a 40-minute break, but it's more like 15 minutes because I have to walk to my next class and I really want to eat lunch. So here's the thorough review on the class. Sorry if I'm out of breath. Basically, the class is fantastic. Like, the professor is super cool. Overall, very interesting class that I would love. However, the grading system is not something that I necessarily enjoy. Basically, the class is broken up into 4 parts. So you have 4 assignments, 2 essays, 2 tests. And the essays are like scientific writing, so obviously it's kind of a different style of writing. It just is really scary when he starts talking about the class average on midterms is a 50-60% and he curves it. I made a pro-con list in class. Pro, cool teacher, interesting subjects, options in class, like he likes to give options. Attendance is not required and he curves grades a bit like in a system, but he kind of does. The con is quarter system grade scale is really hard, challenging concepts without physics, because he said we're like pulling in some concepts with that. Timing of events is really rough, and the class choice could affect me poorly because he gives options like you can have a take-home final and have it be like all open note, but apparently it's like way harder that way. Sorry that I'm like ranting about my class right now, but this is genuinely like every single first day of school I'm reconfiguring my schedule and figuring out what works for me. And this is what I'm having for lunch today. It's just a salad from Trader Joe's, mozzarella and tomato salad. I'm obviously gonna figure that out later, like tonight when I have time to go on my computer and really look at options to see if there's even any openings in class, because I might not have an option. We're back on the road again. I'm going to motor control. We're vlogging. This is the first day of school. Look, all the Kayamega girls. What is this, a vlog? Yes. All right, guys, we did it. We survived the first day of school. I'm officially done with class. We got out 20 minutes early from motor control, which was really nice. And then I stopped by the club sports fair, say hi to my UO Alpine girlies, and now I'm back in my bed. I've traveled full circle. I am going to try to figure out my schedule and see whether or not I'm going to change classes. Good news and bad news. The good news is that I found a class that actually would fit into my schedule and help me finish my minor this term, which would be awesome. The only issue is that the class is now full and I'm just sitting on the wait list and may get on it, may not. I officially rewrote my schedule out. Things are going really well and I feel much more in control. Now with my time, I am going to either A, make some 21er pages because I have a bunch of birthday parties coming up and I need to get them all crafted, so I might do some crafting, or B, I might do some research on medical device sales and getting into that system, because my goal this entire term is to spend an hour each week looking into a potential career path. I'm just like weighing all my options right now and I'm not set on like one thing in particular. And I know a lot of you guys want answers, like you guys are just dying to know, what's my plan? What am I gonna do? If you want like an immediate answer right now, click the I think it's gonna be on this side, and I will link the video where I talk about what I'm planning on doing with my life and kind of like expressing my thoughts and feelings about the matter. But yeah, other than that, just be patient, because I promise when I know what I'm doing, I will tell you. And there's just a lot of different things on my mind in regards to what make me happiest right now, what would make me happiest in the future, and what are some like money moves to make besides just like feeling like I need to go into profession because of the name or because the path is there and easy. I'm also just really content with where I'm at right now, and I'm just happy to be enjoying senior year, especially this start of it. There's like a lot of monumental things that are happening this term. I'm not overly stressed. It is on my mind, just so you know. I'm not like totally spacing out and thinking, you know, I don't have to think about my future, because I do, and that is a reality. Right now, we're just going with the flow. We're getting good grades, and that's all we need to focus on. We got the paper cutter and all of the stickers. Oh God, this is really heavy. For those of you guys who don't know what 21er pages are, it's basically a tradition at University of Oregon. Whenever someone has a 21st birthday, you make them a scrapbook. If you guys saw my 21st birthday video, you saw the book, and yeah, all your friends make you a page. We're gonna get a little bit crafty right now. Okay, so update, it's now almost 7 o'clock. Really don't know where this day went, but I'm starving. I'm gonna try to do a little taco bowl thing, but vegetable version. Dinner is served. I just whipped this up. Like, actually, this was one of the fastest meals that I've ever made. Look what we got for Katie Mac. She doesn't feel good. You look like the Grim Reaper.
All right, everyone quiet.
Quiet on set.
Here's what we're making for dinner. And then I'm just gonna show you guys.
Brendan and I are gonna go take the trash out.
I didn't know.
Oh my God, it's finally clean.
This is clean.
This is, come on, you saw it before. Oh, I got it. Katie and Brendan are having a showing of my move-in day vlog. I'm bringing my ice cream, and no, I'm not eating the full pint. There's only that much left. I got into full-on pajama mode. Hello?
Hola.
Hola. I'm like bracing for myself. Like, it's me. Guys, we made it to the end of the night. I'm literally in bed before 11 o'clock again. Senior year has legitimately turned me into a grandma. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of work while I'm in bed. Today was actually a really good day. It was really fun just to kind of like get back in the swing of school. As much as school is very, very stressful, it's oddly comforting. Yeah, my battery just died. Yeah, I was just saying that I had a really good day and I liked getting back in the routine of things. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night